At number 5, we have the Lumotech ABS Electrical Project Box. Number 5, Lumotech ABS Electrical Project Box. Introducing the Lumotech ABS Electrical Project Box. It's designed to keep your electrical components safe and dry, even in harsh environments. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, this enclosure is built to withstand impact, heat, and various weather conditions. Its lightweight yet durable design ensures long-term use. This versatile enclosure is perfect for a wide range of applications, from LED displays and control panels to solar power systems and security cameras. It's also ideal for DIY projects. With an IP65 waterproof rating and a tight sealing rubber grommet, it provides excellent protection against moisture and dust. What we like, this model offers excellent IP65 waterproofing, making it ideal for outdoor applications. Its durable ABS construction ensures longevity, and its versatility suits many different projects. What people say, users highlight its perfect sizing options, stainless steel screws, and silicone gasket for strong waterproof integrity. Box is described as well-made, easy to drill, and highly reliable in wet conditions. At number 4, we have the Graty IP67 Waterproof Junction Box. Introducing the Graty IP67 Junction Box, designed for robust protection. Its IP67 waterproof rating makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor environments. It includes a mounting panel for easy installation of PCBs and other components. The hinged cover and stainless steel latches ensure a secure, watertight seal. What we like, with IP67 protection, this enclosure offers superior resistance to water immersion. The mounting plate simplifies installation, making it perfect for industrial applications. What people say, customers appreciate its solid construction, easy drilling, and tight sealing lid with a reliable O-ring gasket.
At number 3, we have the Gratchery IP67 Junction Box. Built to withstand harsh environments, its weatherproof design ensures your electronics stay protected in all conditions. It features a mounting panel, a hinged lid, and stainless steel latches for a secure seal. The ABS construction keeps it both lightweight and durable. What we like, this larger enclosure provides ample internal space for complex setups, maintains IP67 waterproofing, and includes a lockable design for added security. Users say, love the durable ABS material. The clear lid gives great visibility. Installation was a breeze with the pre-drilled mounting holes. The Gratchery IP67 Junction Box. Your reliable, secure solution for any environment.
At number 2, we have the Zulkit IP65 Junction Box. This enclosure offers reliable protection against dust, corrosion, and water splashes, making it ideal for outdoor electronics and DIY builds. Made from high-quality ABS, it allows easy drilling and customization for components like meters, switches, and sockets. We love that this compact enclosure is perfect for small electronics projects like Arduino builds. Plus, the pack of 2 adds great value. Customers praise its thick plastic, strong metal thread screws, and spacious, obstruction-free interior. Protect your projects with the Zulkit IP65 Junction Box, a durable, versatile choice for any builder. At number 1, we have the Zulkit ABS Plastic IP65 Waterproof Junction Box. Keep your electronics safe with the Zulkit ABS IP65 Junction Box. It offers dust-proof and water-resistant protection, ensuring long-term durability. Its compact size still provides ample internal space. The ABS material allows easy modification for custom openings. What we like, the integrated mounting ears make installation quick and secure. It's a great option for DIY electronics requiring stable housing. People say, users appreciate its good sealing gasket, pre-drilled mounting points, and easy installation. It's described as durable and practical for everyday use.